Very good evening, friends. What a day it was. I'm welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. The market, as if it moved higher, as if it is going to go higher. But in my morning video, I had already mentioned that it can go past this level to achieve the target of 24,702. So this was the weekly balance line from the previous week. That was around 24,668. Market crossed this and made a high of 24,700. Same template. Week on week, the same template is repeated in the market. See, Friday dump. You can see Friday dump, Monday pump, here also Monday pump, and Tuesday dump. Same thing. Same thing is repeating in the market, but the range on Tuesday previous week was 152 points. Here, range was 248 points, around 240. Let us measure how much it is. This is around 236 points range. The market went high. Most probably, many people might have trapped. Actually, it created as if it is an higher high, and many people might have thought of entering here in this area. Probably intraday dip might have gone long, and they might have gone. They might have got trapped. It is a trap. That was the trap. Actually, I had made in my video that it is going to trap. That is the trap. What can happen tomorrow is it is sitting on the Friday and Monday balance line, weekly balance line. That is 24,472. Market has closed around 24,487 and it has made a low of 24,477, exactly sitting on the balance line. So whether this template will continue to the downside, same thing. What happened in the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there was a down move. Trend move on Wednesday and Thursday. Later in the session, it was a pump. So market can do that. Now only this way it is very stunted. Probably if the market breaks below this, the measured move will come to 24,234. If the market breaks below, it can break below this and go past this level to make 24,226. So the VIX levels, VIX has increased. Actually, it was hovering around 11 last week. Now it has increased to 12, 12.23 increase. So based on the VIX, the levels to watch out are 24,645 and 24,330 on the lower side. And the weekly low to be 24,071 and weekly high to be 24,903. And this is the Tuesday, 5th August. You can see this is 31st July. This is 1st August. Market could not go to this level, 24,784. So it has made a peak formation on Tuesday with the lower high, 24,736 was the high, and this week's high is 24,702. We need to see which day tomorrow, whether this week's low is made, because there is double bottom over here. Since there is a double bottom over here, definitely a static liquidity is accumulated beneath this. Market can go past this level to seek the liquidity, whether it is tomorrow or day after. We have to wait and watch, or whether it can consolidate within the range of this range. It can do that. It may not break so soon. It may break on Thursday, or it may, if it wants to break on Wednesday, the pattern actually will change. Maybe continuation of the. So at present, the bias is downside. No, market has not recovered and market is not going to recover soon. So it is going to see more lower levels in the coming days. There is no respite in the market, even on the halfway through. Already we are in the halfway through of the month. So tomorrow is 13th, today is 12th, almost halfway through. There is no symptom of market reversal or anything. I think market is going to grind down even this month also, August month also. Slow grinding, like the same pattern repeating, it may do like that. Coming to the Bank Nifty also made an peak high. It could not cross this level, that is 8th August level. Thursday, the peak was made. There is little bit difference in the Bank Nifty peak formation, and it made a lower high, and there is a lower low here, peak low on the same day, Friday. So it is holding it is within the range of the Friday's trading range. So you can see there are 2 consecutive days of inside bars. They are inside bars. You can see there. This is the low on Friday. That is, let me take the magnet and price tool, and so that you will price note. Let me anchor this and let me anchor to the top. So not here. 55,652, and this was on Monday. Monday also could not make this. Today it is a double top and inside day. Again inside day. 55,566. What about this? No, it is more than that. 55,582. So market has come down and it is an inside day, and the market has closed near the low on the this is Monday's low. It has closed near the Monday's low. This is also a dump, pump and dump. So if market is rotating, coiling, probably whether it is tomorrow or day after tomorrow, market is, Bank Nifty is going to break down below this level to seek the lower levels. So you can see there, and let us check where is the monthly level. Monthly, if we come back, the monthly low is, that is May month low is around 53,552, and it has already broken the opening price of the May month, this one closing below that. So the down move is on even in the Bank Nifty. And on week basis, there is weekly support is here and here. Weekly supports are nearby. And if it starts breaking below, it can go up to 54,139. That's how it is. Market, there is no reversal or respite in the market. Market is falling amazingly with the same type of template repeating week on week. There is no change actually. Till now, there is no change. Same template is repeating so that you can trade better. With the same template, If it is repeating, if you start observing this, you can trade better. And it is plotting the weekly high. Weekly high has been crunched over here, weekly high and weekly low. And the weekly balance line is here. So we can anticipate for the breakdown or going sideways. It can go sideways or it can break down on Thursday. Whatever it is, you have to watch the price action, but it is towards the bearishness. Market, if it goes to 24,203 also, there may not be respite in the market. Maybe another weekly template may be repeated in the market. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. And about, before closing, I want to tell today was a very, very volatile and choppy day. Probably it was an adjustment of both the CE and PE premiums. It was not sticking anywhere. It was so volatile. Even within 3 minutes candle, the range was 10 points, 15 points, like that, 10 to 12 points. Probably whoever traded, they might not have made money. But with conviction, if you would have traded with my can angle indicator, you could have made money in the market or anything. I've given you TTM squeeze also. That indicator also helps you to take the trend trade. With that indicator also, you could have made money. All the indicators what I've provided are relevant to the price action, closely related to the price action, so that you can take trade better. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.